Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Are you still spending too much time chopping vegetables? Dealing with tears, messy cuts, and tired hands? Now imagine this, perfectly chopped veggies in just seconds, quick, easy, and hassle-free. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best vegetable chopper that can completely transform your kitchen routine. I'll cover its real performance, pros and cons, and most importantly, whether it's truly worth your money. So make sure to watch till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether you should buy it or skip it. Product links in the description box.
Number 5. Stainless Steel Multi-Vegetable Chopper. The Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper is the ultimate kitchen companion designed to simplify meal prep while delivering professional results at home. Known as the original Pro Chopper refined since 2013, this powerful tool stands apart from lower-quality imitations, with more restaurants trusting Mueller for its durability and performance. Built tough and engineered for convenience, it allows you to effortlessly chop, slice, and dice ingredients in seconds, saving both time and energy in the kitchen. Equipped with 8 versatile stainless steel blades, including 2 chopper sizes and 6 interchangeable options for slicing, julienne, grating, and shredding, this all-in-one gadget replaces multiple kitchen tools. The precision 2mm slicer ensures perfectly even cuts for onions, tomatoes, peppers, or even full cabbage shredding for coleslaw. Designed with unmatched quality, it includes a food container to keep your countertop clean and a food holder for added safety and stability while cutting. Cleanup is hassle-free. Simply dismantle and place it in the dishwasher. Perfect for busy lifestyles, this multifunctional chopper helps you prepare healthy meals in half the time, reducing reliance on fast food. Plus, with Mueller's 24/7 live customer care, you'll always have support when you need it, making cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable every day. Number 4. Full-Star Premium Vegetable Chopper. The Full-Star Premium Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin Slicer 14-in-1 is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen gadget designed to make meal prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Known as the original Pro Chopper and Slicer, this TikTok favorite tool delivers precision slicing and dicing with incredible efficiency. With its large 5-cup capacity, it can chop or slice ingredients in just 30 seconds, saving you valuable time compared to manual prep. Built for convenience, this chopper is dishwasher safe, top rack, making cleanup effortless after every use. Whether you're cooking daily meals or preparing for gatherings, simply toss it in the dishwasher and you're done. No scrubbing needed. Designed for modern, busy lifestyles, it features heavy-duty 420 stainless steel blades that stay razor-sharp and resist rust. Its compact, space-saving design fits easily into drawers or cabinets, making it perfect for quick, grab-and-go use without complicated setup. The thoughtful 5-star design includes a BPA-free body, soft-grip TPU handle, and a non-slip rubber base for stability and safety. The built-in catch tray keeps your countertop clean and mess-free. Perfect as a gift for moms, home cooks, or anyone who loves efficiency in the kitchen, this versatile tool makes healthy cooking quicker, safer, and more fun, ideal for everyday meals or special occasions. Number 3. Stainless Steel Vegetable Chopper. The Stainless Steel Vegetable Chopper 8-blade mandolin slicer is a powerful and durable kitchen tool designed to upgrade your food preparation experience. Built with premium stainless steel construction, this chopper is far more sturdy and long-lasting than fragile plastic alternatives. Its improved design addresses common issues found in standard vegetable cutters, making it a reliable choice for anyone who values high-quality cookware and efficient cooking. Equipped with 8 versatile blades, including 2 chopper sizes and 6 interchangeable options for slicing, julienne, grating, and shredding, this multifunctional gadget replaces several kitchen tools in one compact design. The razor-sharp stainless steel blades deliver precise results. Perfectly diced onions, tomatoes, and peppers for fresh salsa, or quickly shredded cabbage for coleslaw. Cleaning is quick and hassle-free thanks to its removable design, allowing all parts to be easily detached and washed, saving you time after meal prep. The innovative 3X leverage system uses smart pressure mechanics, making chopping effortless and reducing hand strain significantly. For added safety, it features latest hand guards that fully secure smaller foods, keeping your fingers safely away from the blades during use. Combining durability, efficiency, and safety, this vegetable chopper is an essential tool for faster, smarter, and more enjoyable cooking every day. Number 2. Full-Star XL Vegetable Chopper. Upgrade your kitchen routine with a Full-Star XL Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin Slicer, designed for convenience, efficiency, and versatility. Great value and quality. This 5-cup XL vegetable chopper offers an affordable solution without compromising performance. It includes 6 stainless steel blades, a cleaning brush, a finger guard, and a 1.2L container, making meal prep safer and faster. It's a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys effortless cooking. 6 extra sharp blades. Whether you need a mandolin slicer, potato slicer, onion cutter, or cheese grater, this all-in-one tool has you covered. Featuring fine and medium dicers, a grater, coarse shredder, julienne blade, and slicer blade made from premium 420J stainless steel, it saves time and effort in the kitchen. Durable, safe build, crafted from extra-strong ABS plastic, this chopper is built to last. It's BPA-free and includes a protective finger guard for safe slicing every time. Dishwasher safe and perfect gift. Cleanup is easy, just place it on the top rack. Ideal for everyday cooking or as a smart kitchen gift for any occasion.
Number 1.
Vever Commercial Vegetable Chopper. Make food prep faster and more efficient with a Vever Commercial Vegetable Chopper, a powerful tool built for both restaurants and home kitchens. Stainless steel and aluminum construction ensures long-lasting durability, as the heavy-duty stainless steel and aluminum alloy body resists corrosion and wear. The food-grade 420 stainless steel blades guarantee safe, hygienic cutting every time. 4 blades available. This versatile chopper includes 1/2, 3/8, 1/4 blades, plus a 6 wedge slicer, allowing you to cut fruits and vegetables into various sizes and shapes. Each blade set also comes with 2 spare blades, making it a reliable choice for continuous use. Ergonomic handle. Designed with a pull-down lever system, the handle uses leverage to reduce effort and save time. With minimal force, you can quickly prepare French fries, salads, and more. Good stability and easy cleaning. Non-slip feet provide excellent stability during use. The removable blades and push block make cleaning simple and hassle-free. Multipurpose use. Perfect for cutting potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, apples, and more, making meal prep quick, easy, and professional. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.